How is the new marriage? The new marriage is going okay. Just that me not really like to stay a distance. Me not like when time me and a person I connect and we stay apart from each other. Me not like the party. The party really bother me. So, but everything otherwise okay. Why you worried about my ring? I have my ring. My ring is here. Go back. That me I do when I start out myself and go back. Like, I wish I would go today, but me I go back, man. I'm not make nobody know when time me I going away. Cause I notice everybody I watch me on the media and people are video me on the road and them something there. So when time me I go, I'm not tell nobody on the media when time me I go away. Yeah. Oh, you change your name? It's Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea. Okay, what's up, baby? So you can change your name. I really like your name, Sweet Pea. I'm follow you upon this. Go, yes, go back. Me, I go back up. You're not going to tell me twice. Girl, you're not tell me twice. Much I could have left out front today, but may I try left out this evening, if not. I confuse the people then. I just don't want nobody know when me I go up. I don't nobody at all know when me I go up. I don't know, I stay up there for a little while, maybe just like 1 month or so. I remember say up there my party I keep, so I don't know if I stay up there for a little while. I pity them alright, you know. That may I tell you. So I don't know nothing. From this side right now I be a problem because my ex live next door, guys, and I don't want to hear so. My ex live next door. None of you know it feel like for our ex will live next door. Having an ex live next door, that's crazy. Right? So no, I'm not comfortable with it. I don't want nobody force nothing upon me. Because nowadays I realize people want to force down things upon people. I don't want nobody to force down things upon me. Why me can't just love somebody for the first time? Like, why? Like, people like make that look seems crazy. Like, love at first sight. Or, like, you can't see somebody and want to just connect. And that's it. A person does make you laugh. A person make you happy. A person does make you feel like a total different person. So, what's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? Nothing wrong with that. Everybody have all different type of something to say. Now, them say them are going to send me one video with him a gay murder. How far this I go? I wonder because him a talk to me make everybody I do this because it's bad. Like weird bad. Because why? Because him a talk to me. Right now people in my DM say them a send me one video. Right? At him. Because he's gay. How far now go? Like how far? Me have my ex on the other hand, my ex on one hand, people on the next hand, people at shoal. Come on, that's crazy. Crazy bad. What should say? That's crazy though. Me, fuck people. Me know this is where they say, hey, they could have said married to RuPaul. They could have said married to RuPaul, him have got divorced RuPaul. Remember me tell you, I don't care. Like that bad. My blind. Them honestly, them are gonna make one Dululu song for me. Them are gonna say blind like a bat, Annie. Them are call me blind like a bat, Annie. Like this woman blind like a bat, she can't see. Them are gonna say me blind. What she say? Wait, sir, stop sending requests. Yeah, them are do too much. Yeah, I know my account not depend on warning list. Or you need to stop make people like me not make nobody live my life. Nobody not live my life for me. What's up? Hey. Wagwan Candy, say they here? What they get to? Them same the online, me not send him no request. Me not send him no request. Him have to send me request. Send me request. Send me request. Me tell him no, oh, him have to send me request. In the online, make him send it. Yeah, me like when they do it like that. Me not like them, but me not go send it to him. Wanna meet you one day. Where are you from? Somebody said, okay, she said, we love you and Kevin together. Together, blessing to you. Both happiness over. Thank you, baby. Thank you, Boo. Nikki Boo. Thank you. Nikki Boo, thank you so much. And guys, everybody we pray for you. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Guys, we really appreciate you. Everybody we pray for you. I really want to see we work out. Thank you. But look here, but the thing is this, and me I go feel, I must him I go feel, guys. Like if anybody I go feel anyone, I must him I go feel. Because me putting my all in a relationship now, and like my want like everybody says me really all for him and I put up my all. I'm sure everybody say I love him and so. So I must him I go feel because me not feel. There's no feeling right now. Well, I know I'm so the person I say. Guys, more try get $100. More $100. More guys, me try get some money, more $100. More leave front tonight. More leave front tonight. I know you really love him. Right there, some sister. Don't talk truth. Look here, see that person I come in and I talk about my kids, them please, just block them. Cause each time a person live them life, when I come and talk about them pitney. Or up and go on. Block that person there for me. Yeah, Katie, mute them backside. Mute them, Katie. They don't know about you. They don't know about you and muting. Let me tell you what they want. They want him to come down here and next him and Lando fight. Because Lando a plan to fight him and I don't in that guys. I'm in a drama type of thing. Right? You think that when me see me and him I do, I'm not in the drama thing. You think that when me imagine in my head when me and Kevin are going to do together, no drama thing no in it. And him man a plan for fight him. Nobody no want nobody boy pick come and watch it come fight him. Nobody not plan. Look here. Nobody no interested in a fight right now. Alright? Anybody who interested in a fight, them are idiots. Nobody no want no fighting and no scruffling and no scratching up body and them something there. You understand? So, in order for me see him, me I forgot tone. So if I tone him there, I tone me I go reach. If I tone the cocky, I look at tone me I go fight. Leave me alone. So I tone the thing there. I tone the whole thing there right now. Yeah. Only part them are hypocrite and a please and a baby please beautiful. What person say? Me not tell nobody, me not wait call him. When you say me not for do, be careful. Me not really think I have no me not think no moderator there, so that comment section here look too bad for me as much moderator. Don't call my name. Do not call my fucking name. Watch ya. No, what am blood club moderator here there? Wicked mother. No man, what them a moderator here there? I want to know if a moderator them a fight against me because no it a feel funny. It a feel fucking funny. I fight them a moderator a fight against me because what them a dirty people are doing in my comment section. No man, I'm not lie to you, but the comment section is so fucking dirty. Like literally. I want them black out of look here, I black them. When me get in my feelings like this, black them. I don't want them for my page. Me a big man, me pitney them a big pitney. Me pit them a big pitney. What you talk about? I'm not dirty people here, man. What I'm doing on the mama left in the house and go and take, man. On the mother no left in the house go take, man. Eh? I might pity them man a baby. So me no know how now worry about me, so stop worry about me.